It's time to let go of the day's stress. You step onto your yoga mat, feeling the cool surface beneath your feet. The air is still, the room is quiet. You take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and slowly exhale, imagining your worries drifting away like clouds. You begin with a gentle stretch, lifting your arms toward the sky, lengthening your spine. Your muscles, tight from the day, start to soften. You move smoothly into your first pose, feeling the familiar rhythm of your body. With each slow movement, your breath remains steady and calm. The flow is gentle, a quiet dance between your breath and body. Child's pose. Downward dog. Cobra. You move through each position, allowing yourself to relax deeper into the practice. The tension in your muscles eases with every breath. You are not here for perfection, just to be present, to release. As you transition into Savasana, your final resting pose, the world grows quieter. Lying on your back, you feel your body sinking into the mat. Your breath is soft, effortless. In this stillness, you feel at peace. The noise of the day has faded, and in its place, there is calm. This quiet space is your sanctuary, where you can return anytime, no matter what the day has brought.